Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Vsoxa B Venom. I don't know how to pronounce this, but we are going to talk that whether this is a legit product website or not. So if I just go to Google and search for here, you can see it's saying that my word is completely wrong. I don't know why. And there's a no website regarding this, and I found some of these websites which says that does B Venom really holds a secret to youthful? So basically it's just putting a question mark on this website, and I'm not able to find this this product or this website from where I can just check out. I don't know why. So this is a very big question mark that whether it's a really a good thing or not. Now the very important thing is that it doesn't have a FDA approval. So B Venom product are not FDA approved. The FDA does not evaluate cosmetic products for safety or effectiveness before they are sold, right? Which raises concern about this reliability and safety of this product. It doesn't have any reviews. The reviews which are read on the pilot, and those reviews are completely highlighted fake or negative. And most of this website you will see that they just a lot of people on the Reddit, they just put scam allegations because they have faced a scam because of this website. They didn't got the product delivered or misleading information, right? And there's a limited transparency. There's a nothing information that where they are located, how to contact them, the email address, the phone number, nothing is available. So this is it guys, you can just go and review it yourself. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.